In the acting industry, and I've said this many, many times, so bear with me, but staying in the moment is very, very important because staying in the moment means that you are creating. You're creating in the moment. And any time that you're creating, you feel alive, correct? Achievement is automatic. You automatically achieve something and then you want to achieve another thing. That is okay to a degree. But creating, that's when you actually start molding your life for the rest of your life. I'll give you an example. When you are with someone that you love, you want to create your life with them. Isn't that right? You don't want to just achieve things. Achieving things is kind of boring, actually. I mean, we want to achieve, of course, but honestly, achievement has to do with the ego. It's selfish. Wanting to achieve and be the greatest actor in the world or the greatest athlete in the world, while it may be admirable, you want people to see you, don't you? You want people to see you, admire you, praise you, and just lift your name up. Isn't that right? However, think about the greats. Think about the golden age of cinema, for example. There was Claudette Colbert, there was Judy Garland, Clark Gable, Mickey Rooney, Fred Astaire. Let's stop right there. Fred Astaire. Fred Astaire, now you may or may not know this, but he started out when he was 8 years old thanks to his mother. And his mother worked 3 jobs and every morning took him to the bus stop, dropped him off with his sister so they could go to dance class. He loved to dance. And it was his mother that caused him. It was his mother that took him to that bus stop and gave him that early discipline of studying dance. She was creating a life for him. She was creating something that she saw in him. She was feeding his creativity as well as his sister. Was her name up in lights? No. She was creating her family. She was working very, very hard. She was behind the scenes, much like a background actor enhances the background of a film. Does it make them any less of an actor? No, of course not. Because they're interested in creating a network of people, creating their life, and creating their acting career. When you create something, you're happy. When children are building a sandcastle, they know full well that same sandcastle will deteriorate simply because of the tide coming in. However, in the moment, and you can apply this to yourself too, and no matter what your age, in the moment, think about it. Isn't it great to create? Because that's where you truly grow. Perhaps this moment today, right now, is the reason you were created. God created you so you can create something of your life. So you can co-create with Him and co-create with other people. In your acting career and in your life, don't just focus on achievement. That leads to burnout. That leads to frustration because you're setting the bar so high at times because this achievement wasn't enough, this one wasn't enough, this one wasn't enough, this one was good but still not enough, and you keep trying to do more and do more. Focus on what the great actors and actresses and the artists have done for centuries before us. They just wanted to create your life. Do your research. Study above all else. Study, and study. And then you will create the life that you truly want instead of just achieve. If you need a coach, I may be the one for you. DavidThompsonCoaching.co, DavidThompsonCoaching.co. Look me up, subscribe, like, and share. And today, create something brand new for yourself.